Life with my dogs.
From cozy winter sweaters to cooling summer gear, dog trends change with the seasons, and our pups are loving every stylish, comfy update. Today, we're diving into the most popular seasonal dog trends and how they keep our furry friends happy all year round. Let's start with winter. When the temperature drops, many dogs benefit from extra warmth. Trendy dog coats, booties to protect their paws from ice, and even festive holiday sweaters are making winter walks both safe and adorable. Spring brings brighter colors and fresh energy. Think floral bandanas, lightweight raincoats for drizzly days, and eco-friendly accessories. Plus, allergy-friendly wipes and grooming tools are must-haves to keep pups comfortable during pollen season. Summer is all about staying cool. Popular trends include cooling vests, portable water bottles, breathable harnesses, and even dog-friendly sunglasses. Safety is the real trend here. Keeping your pup hydrated and protected from heat is always in style. And of course, fall brings cozy vibes. Plaid scarves, pumpkin-themed collars, and warm, soft bedding are favorites. Seasonal treats like pumpkin-flavored snacks also make autumn extra fun for our four-legged friends. Seasonal dog trends aren't just about fashion, they're about comfort, safety, and making memories with our best friends. No matter the season, keeping your pup happy, healthy, and a little stylish is always the trend that never goes out of style. Happy dogs, every season.
Life with my dogs.